Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we have a very tasty recipe. What are we having, babe?
Oh, I'm so excited. We're gonna use the Bald Buck Slow Burn Shrimp Tacos.
Spicy shrimp tacos with an avocado crema?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just kind of making that up.
It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be great.
Okay, so the backstory is Bald Buck, it's a seasoning company called Bald Buck. Their original, which was called the Bold, we tried that based on a recommendation from T. Roy Cooks like a while ago.
Yeah.
And it's incredible. Very, very good seasoning on chicken, on fish especially. Very, very good. Bald Buck reached out to us and they said, hey, we have a brand new seasoning that's just coming on the market like today. And it's called Slow Burn. And the more you eat it, the spicier it gets. It's a spicy Bald Buck. So Babe's gonna whip up some quick shrimp tacos.
Yeah.
And if you stay to the end of the video, there is going to be a giveaway that if you go to the Bald Buck website and enter the secret code, which we will give you, the first 20 people that do it, free Bald Buck.
Woo!
Bald Buck will send you out a slow burn and your mouth can burn too. I'm smelling it. It smells fantastic. So
we can all have spicy mouths.
there we go. All right, let's dive into the ingredients, make some tacos, and give you the secret code.
All right.
All right, babe, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, and here we go. Couple simple ingredients. What do we got going?
So we have our shrimp. We have them deveined, detailed,
Ready to boogie.
ready to go, raw shrimp. You don't want to get pre-cooked. We have mini flour street tacos. We have our Bald Buck Slow Burn. We have some Mexican crema. That's our puppy over there. We have an avocado, a lime, and cilantro from our garden.
And a little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt, and a really nice knife from Uncle Steve's Shake.
Yeah, it's going to be really
I've
good.
tried this before, so I don't know how much to use, which is why I'm doing the avocado crema, because I think it's going to balance out the flavor. It's not going to be too spicy. It'll kind of weigh it down a little. So I'm scared, but I'm excited.
What do you think, babe? Is that going to be enough, or do you need...
Maybe just a little bit more. Okay. That feels...
Bald Buck did say that the more you eat it, the more that it'll burn. Because there's a variety of peppers in it and stuff like that. So it's meant not to be really hot at first, but then it creeps up on you later.
Okay, so let's let that set for a second and make our sauce. Next up comes our sauce. I've never made this before. I'm literally making it up as I go. So come along with me. I'm gonna start with one full avocado. It's a smaller one. I'm gonna do probably a half of a lime. I'm going to put in maybe a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of the crema, and a whole bunch of cilantro, because Josh loves cilantro. So.
And some salt.
And some salt, yeah. I don't know how much salt yet. We'll see. Okay, the juice of half a lime. It's about two tablespoons of Mexican crema, which is so yummy. A little dash of salt, not too much. And our cilantro.
I wonder if you're going to need more crema, or...
I don't know.
I guess we'll just taste it and play with it?
Yeah. Once we get it down, I'll give the exact recipe that we used.
Been playing with it for a little while now.
Yes.
So you got to tell the folks what the final recipe was that you are doing.
Okay, so I ended up with 1 medium avocado, the juice of 1 entire lime, a bunch of cilantro, like 1 bunch of cilantro, a tablespoon of salt, and a half a cup of the Mexican crema. And it's not super liquidy, but it's actually a really good consistency that can go right...
And the flavor is really good.
Yeah. It can go right underneath the spicy shrimp, or a dollop on top. Next up, I had my cast iron heating up while I was making the crema because you want it to get nice and hot. I added about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. We have our shrimpies and our Bald Buck. I'm a little nervous.
Don't be nervous, babe. It's going to be epic.
And shrimp cooks really, really quick. So you just want to get it pink and it's ready to roll.
Oh, do you smell that in the air?
I think so. I sneezed, so I'm assuming that is from the spices.
Yeah, babe.
I'm doing our tortillas over our burner. Greatest way to make little charred tortillas. I love them. The shrimpies are almost done. And then we'll be ready to build and eat. My nose.
I'm excited to try this.
Woo! I'm excited too. A little scared.
No, it's going to be awesome, babe.
But I think they're going to be pretty delicious.
Can you fit 4 shrimp in each taco?
Yeah, I'm doing 5. I can do 5.
Oh, okay.
I'm so excited. I think this is going to be really good. Put a little dollop on each.
And a little bit more fresh cilantro. Well, babe, everything turned out amazing looking. You did good.
Quick, easy lunch or dinner.
That is going to be really tasty. All right, let's try it. Okay, so before we do the taste test, like I said in the beginning, there's going to be links down below for everything. If you go to the Bald Buck website and use code COP&BABE, but it's all together. I'll put it on the screen right now. COP and Babe, the first 20 people that go there after we release this video, so go right now, go to the Bald Buck website, put in code COP and Babe, and you will get a free bottle of the Slow Burn, which I can smell it in the air. It's going to be amazing.
It's going to be good. I've sneezed a few times.
It's going to be
good peppers.
It's going to be good. And we have to thank all of our channel members, especially our top tier channel members. Thank you guys so much for supporting us.
Yeah.
All right, baby, you ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Okay, get it. We're going to do it at the same time.
Here we go.
Let me show the folks.
Ooh.
Oh boy. There's 5 shrimpies in this one. Tortilla's warm. Oh boy. Here we go, babe.
Okay.
Slow burn.
Here we go. Mmm. Really good.
They're not as hot as I thought. No.
I'm waiting for it to come because you said it shows up in the end.
They're very juicy.
It's really good. I really like that mixture.
I do know.
That's a great. That's a great blend.
Bald Buck
flavors.
is a very unique seasoning, and it's very, very good. This is the spicy version of it. It's not. It deceived me. I thought it was going to be hotter. It wasn't that hot.
I was way more scared.
I was way more scared. It is warm, but it's not that hot. And then that avocado crema kind of really cools it down then.
Yeah.
That's really good.
It, like deep down here is where I feel this.
And on my second bite, it got a little bit hotter. So I see what Bald Buck was saying. The more you eat it, it's going to start building and creeping, building and creeping. That'd be really good on a steak too, actually. Like a spicy ribeye or something like that. I think the UPS driver could smell the greatness because we just got a package. All right, babe.
That was really good.
Bald Buck, good job. Another hit. Your original bold is amazing, and that is going to be a good seller too. That's really good.
I definitely feel the heat now. Like
but not. But it's not
up from here. It's not on your tongue. It's like inside my body.
Inside my body.
Inside my body. It's really good.
All right, you guys got to go grab you some. It's good stuff.
Yes.
Especially if you're one of the first 20.
Yeah.
All right.
So thanks, guys. Thank you, Bald Buck.
Yeah. Thank you all, and we will see you on the next video.
Bye.
What do you think about Bald Buck? Yeah. Well, babe, I thought that seasoning was really good. Even the child ate it and liked it.
Yeah.
So it's kid friendly.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go.
All right. Bye.
Bye.